What is up, YouTube? Nitro fans. So, I'll tell you what we got going on. I got the Serpent Vector here, the vintage Serpent Vector. Now, I had this modified Pico, and it's just too much power, man. Like, this thing has got so much power, it rocks my truggy, no problem. But, I've had this. This came on this, and I'm pretty sure this is the original engine that came in this car. It's labeled Serpent, and also have the this is a Nova Mega SX21, and I've been sitting here battling this clutch because I couldn't remember. I had to switch it up to get it to fit the Pico. So it's raining outside, so I decided to work on this because I can't run any cars. So I decided to run this. I mean, not run it, but we're gonna put this in here, see if we can get it in here, back in the vintage Novodasi. I mean the vintage Serpent Mega. I'm hoping this lines up now, and I'm hoping the clutch grabs, because I had to put a different bearing than what I had in there. I can't remember how I had this. So only thing to do is to do it. Only way to find out. See if I can get this started. Oh, we're going to be short. We are short. Okay, we're going to be short, so I'm going to have to put a spacer behind the collet. I believe that's the way it was originally too. Maybe a different collet. I'll put it out. So take this all the way back apart. I need the red. And this has the I tried to go with a different kind of bearings, but it wouldn't work because of the way these bearings catch. It's got the flange on them, and that's how the clutch bell catches. So let's see if I can get this off real quick. Bam, bam, bam. See, it's got the pressure plate with the spring. This is the first generation Syntex clutch. Syntex 1. Oh boy, that's tight. Okay. Bingo was his name. Alright, so I'm thinking maybe that's not the I have another one here. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and get a shim put. Oh, wait a minute. I think that's the one we need. I believe that's going to do it. We're going to try it. Let's see. So yeah, just wanted to see if you guys wanted to hang out while I threw this back together. What is going on here? Oh, we're tight. And see if we can get this vintage Nova Mega, made in Italy, fired up, man. I've had this engine for a long time. What it was, somebody had stripped out the oh my gosh, head button. I'm drawing blank. But yeah, they stripped out the head button and for the glow plug. So I couldn't find one that would fit with the same bore. This has a small bore. These 21 long stroke, they're not a square bore, so they're like 15. They're not a 16, they're like 15 something. And then a 17 stroke, something like that. Probably tight enough. Put my pressure plates in. These swing out, put pressure against the plate or the clutch shoe. And this is a booger to get on sometimes. Okay. Gotta kind of hold these two sides and then pop the other one in. Bam. It's in there. Throw your clutch shoes on. A little bit of thread and lock on the clutch nut because you don't want that coming off. I've just been eyeballing this because I don't want a high RPM clutch. Back it off just a hair. I think we can leave it there. Let me get some thread lock on the threads there. Just to make sure that we're not going to be shitting. That's probably pretty good. Maybe come back just a little more. That'll probably work. Alright, so the flange bearing, then the clutch bell, and then my little ball bearing. Of course, they're all ball bearing, but I can't remember. I'm drawing a blank. Throw out bearing. I mean, the bearing. Okay. Oh, no, something's going on. What happened? Okay, we got something's off somewhere. Did I leave something out? Something happened. This is what I'm talking about. Did I put the wrong flange bearing in? Oh, I bet I got that. Yeah. Let's see. I might have that too loose. Oh, I do have the wrong. Here we go. Oh, I put that the wrong way in there. Oh, no, I never took it out. Let's see. I can't remember. Bam. That's on there. Yeah. So, I think I had the clutch nut out too far. It was the problem. Alright. Let's try this all one more time. Are we hitting the clutch shoe? Ah. I think I know what it is. Alright, I'm going to be battling this for a minute. So I'll be back. Alright, I believe I got it. Just a tick. And let's get it. Let's tighten it up. It's definitely not that one. I need red. MIP speed bits, man. Get them on eBay. Good price. Alright. Now, will this fit now? I just changed the collet out. I believe this was the original collet. That was in it, so let's try. Let's see if this is going to line up. And I'm excited to get this vintage racing engine. Yes, I believe it is going to line up perfect now. Yes, sir. Now I just hope that bearing didn't throw me out too far and my clutch grabs. I couldn't remember how this was on there. If I can get these other screws started, we'll be in business. Something. Okay, what's going on here now? See if I can get some light on this. Let's see what. Aha. It should line right up because the other one, I didn't move the mounts. Okay, maybe I just need to loosen this other one back up a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, maybe I just had it too tight. Is the Pico wider? I believe it is. So, might have to go get my 3mm. But let me get this back in there and get the starter box ready, and we'll see if we can fire this up. Alright guys, well, I decided to wait until the rain quit. There's no telling how long it's been since this old engine's even ran. I think it's pretty cool. It was nasty when I got it. This whole car was, and looks like I'm going to have to take, or will I? Can I do it with the tires on? Nah. I just got off work, so I'm a mess. I don't want to get this done, get this fired up, hopefully before dark. I'm using the old Dragon RC out of the Serpent radio. Let's see if I can get a prime on this. Yep, fuel went in. Alright, let's see if we can get a... Oh, she's running. Yes, sir. Sounds pretty lean. Man, that thing is loud. If I can set this idle gap. Super awesome, man. This thing sounds wicked. But looks like they're rolling in for church, man, so I can't really get a good run in. But we got her fired up. Sounds good. She's running cool. Sounds like a super high RPM engine, man. This pipe sounds, that's the combo for it. So that's why I put it back on, and it sounds awesome. I might have to put that in the Serpent. 0.21 Nova Mega. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned.